Hey there, Order Now viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news to share with you. The highly anticipated Apple Watch Series 8, and we're here to dive into all the amazing features and upgrades it brings to the table, so let's not waste any time and jump right in. Smooth and seamless, the edge of design. Apple Watch Series 8 features a big, brilliant, always-on display. Narrow borders push the screen right to the edge, resulting in an elegant integration with the curvature of the case. Always-on Retina display. Take it all in, get it all done. The bright always-on screen makes detailed watch faces look stunning and easy to read, even when your wrist is down. The large display accommodates all your favorite complications and makes tapping, typing, and swiping a snap. The same innovations used to create the beautiful edge-to-edge always-on display also help make it incredibly durable. A thick front crystal, robust geometry, and flat base make it resistant to cracking. The more informed you are about your health, the more empowered you are to affect it. Advanced health sensors in Apple Watch Series 8 provide insights to help you better understand your health. Temperature sensing. Understand your cycle like never before. Apple Watch Series 8 has an innovative sensor that tracks your temperature while you sleep, so you can see changes over time. Cycle tracking uses this data to provide a retrospective estimate of when you likely ovulated, which can be helpful for family planning. When combined with your heart rate and logged cycle data, you'll get a detailed view of your menstrual cycle. Period predictions, less of a question mark. Get improved period predictions with wrist temperature data, and receive notifications if your logged cycle data shows a possible cycle deviation like irregular or prolonged periods. You can share your cycle history with your healthcare provider for more informed conversations. The sleep app doesn't just keep track of your time asleep. It shows you how much time you spent in REM, core, or deep sleep, as well as when you might have woken up. Take an ECG at any time with the ECG app. Apple Watch Series 8 is capable of generating an ECG similar to a single lead electrocardiogram. Measure your blood oxygen. It's a breathtaking innovation. The remarkable sensor and app in Apple Watch Series 8 allow you to take on-demand readings of your blood oxygen, as well as background readings day and night. Crash detection. Help on automatic. Apple Watch Series 8 is able to detect if you're in a severe car crash. When a crash is detected, crash detection can automatically connect you with emergency services, provide dispatchers with your location, and notify your emergency contacts. Crash detection uses the combined power of an improved 3-axis gyroscope and a G-force accelerometer that has the highest dynamic range in any smartwatch. It also uses a barometer, GPS, and an advanced sensor fusion algorithm trained on over 1 million hours of real-world driving and crash data to detect if you're in a severe crash. All-day battery life up to 18 hours. Up to 36 hours in low-power mode. Apple's battery life for the Apple Watch Series 8 is tested over 18 hours, including 90 time checks, 90 notifications, 45 minutes of app use, and a 60-minute workout. The battery life in low-power mode is also tested, with 180 time checks, 180 notifications, 90 minutes of app use, and a 60-minute workout. And there you have it, folks, a sneak peek into the incredible Apple Watch Series 8 with its stunning design, advanced health features, impressive performance, and enhanced connectivity. It's clear that Apple continues to push the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.